In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Mailchimp's double opt-in feature. This is a critical step to ensure you're managing your email marketing campaigns effectively. Whether you're setting up a new audience or tweaking an existing one, understanding the difference between single and double opt-in is essential. Double opt-in means that when someone subscribes to your mailing list, they will receive an email prompting them to confirm their subscription, adding an extra layer of verification. Single opt-in, on the other hand, does not require this confirmation step. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to start on the Mailchimp homepage. Once you're there, look for the Audience tab at the top of the screen and click on it. This will take you to your audience dashboard where you can see all your current email contacts. From here, find the More Options section, which is typically represented by a small drop-down arrow or similar icon on the interface. Clicking this will unveil additional settings that you might not see at first glance. In this menu, look for Audience Settings. Clicking on this will navigate you to a page where you can tweak various aspects of how you collect and manage your subscribers' data. Once you're in the Settings menu, find the Edit button. Clicking Edit will allow you to make changes that influence your audience's subscription process. Now within this Edit screen, you should see an option labeled Double Opt-in. Clicking this will enable the double opt-in feature, which, as mentioned earlier, requires your subscribers to confirm their subscriptions before they're fully added to your list. This step is crucial if you want to ensure that subscribers are genuinely interested in your content, as they must perform that extra step to receive your emails. If you prefer to switch to a single opt-in, simply click on the single opt-in option instead. This means anyone who signs up for your list will begin receiving your emails immediately without needing to confirm their subscription. After you've made your choice between double and single opt-in, be sure to click Save Opt-in Setting to ensure that your preference is applied. This is an important step because if you close the settings without saving, your changes will not take effect and you'll have to repeat the process. Remember, you can always come back and modify these settings if your needs change in the future. Understanding when and why to use double versus single opt-in can significantly impact your engagement rates and the overall success of your email marketing campaigns. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful as you navigate your mail